95% of Warren Buffett's wealth was earned after his 65th birthday. Let that sink in. This isn't a lesson on investing. It's an expose on a critical bug in your brain's operating system. A glitch that makes you quit right before the miracle happens. You see, the most powerful force in the universe feels like doing nothing, and your brain is programmed to interpret that as failure. Today, we fix the code. This is Captain Leanne from the Manifestation Flight Academy. Here, I fuse spiritual manifestation with scientific application and practical financial intelligence to help you break through financial drag and reboot your life's navigation system. That bug in your code? It's your inability to grasp the physics of momentum. It's why you give up. Imagine you're on a 747. Takeoff is violent. The engines scream, you're pinned to your seat, and the plane is burning a massive amount of fuel just to fight gravity. This is you starting a new habit, a new savings plan. It's painful, progress feels slow, and every part of you wants to abort. But then, you break through the clouds. The engines quiet down. The seatbelt sign turns off. You're at cruising altitude. Here, inertia has taken over. The flight is effortless. The problem is, most people bail out during takeoff. They see the linear progress on their dashboard and think the system is broken. They don't realize they're on the flat part of an exponential curve, right before it goes vertical. To fix this, we need to install our holistic manifestation flight disciplines. This is a three-pronged system update. First, we consult the wealth engineer for our hard coordinates. The math is simple. The most important variable in the wealth formula is N time. The engineer's data on legendary pilots shows they didn't win by being brilliant, they won by taking off early and flying long enough. The core directive is brutally simple: maintain course and trust the system. Patience isn't a virtue, it's a mathematical strategy. Second, we get a system upgrade from the neural system architect. Your brain's basal ganglia automates habits to save energy. The architect's data is clear: 1.01 to the power of 365 equals 37.78. A 1% improvement daily results in a nearly 38 times improvement in a year. When you go to the gym, you don't see the change day to day, but your neurons are busy rewiring, creating automated scripts for strength. Trust the invisible rewiring. Finally, we get our vision from the high-dimensional flight coach. The coach teaches that spiritual growth also compounds. Every time you feel resistance, fear, anxiety, and you choose to consciously release it, you reduce your internal aerodynamic drag. These micro-releases accumulate, creating a massive internal space for effortless flight. It's the compounding of surrender. Step 1. Engage the autopilot. Your willpower is the weakest link in the system. We're going to remove it. Go to your bank's website right now and set up a recurring transfer from your salary account to your investment account for the day after you get paid. This is paying yourself first. The money enters the compounding system before your emotional brain can spend it. For your target, just buy the whole market with a simple index fund. It's like getting on an escalator. You don't have to run, you just have to get on and let economic growth carry you up. Then, execute the forget it protocol. Do not check your portfolio every day. You'll just trigger your panic circuits. Let the system run. Step 2. Time travel visualization. Your brain is wired for immediate reward, a bug called present bias. We're going to hack it. Close your eyes. Project your consciousness 20 years into the future. See your future self. They are financially free, secure, living a life of purpose. Feel their peace. Now connect that powerful vision back to the tiny, automated transfer you just set up. This isn't a sacrifice, it's the seed for that reality. Finally, have your future self look back at you, right now, with tears of gratitude in their eyes. Hear them say, "Thank you. Thank you for your discipline. My freedom today was born from your choice right now." Feel that gratitude. You just turned delayed gratification into an immediate emotional reward. This is just a small part of our flight course. Want the full holistic manifestation flight manual? Leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and click the Google form link in the description to enter your email. I'll send you the complete PDF manual for free. Remember to subscribe to You Are Light, and I'll see you in the next class.